from Team India.
and 2024
Another
Olympian.
Indian
Please
representative,
welcome Isha Singh.
another representation. This surely is going to be a very difficult one
Chinese Taipei.
on
Please
Final Taipei, and they have
check
been pretty
your name.
dominant in the past.
Firing point C.
Team India in the 25-meter pistol
Head
women
coach Prema Tamang.
alongside her coach. We
Please
have
welcome
Kazakhstan,
Popelova.
Popelova.
Flying coach Kovan Shi. Jury in charge Hania Pangtan.
Shooters Manu Bhaker, Nguyen Tran and Isha Singh. 3 hits consistently. That is 4 for Isha and Nguyen. Fourth shot. Chinese Taipei shooter Tian Chia Chen. At the bottom with only 1 hit in this series is Popelova from Kazakhstan. Absolutely true, Shubhank. But we never know what is going to happen in a sport like shooting where every series flips the leaderboard completely. First hit for 6 out of the 8 shooters. The sound of the firing that's going on. Shooter shooting with a 1.5 kg rifle and a .22 caliber.
Singisha missing one shot this time around, whereas Manu Bhaker missing a double. But I really will want, if you can, every shot. The arena gets so loud. But now Vietnam taking a lead, and that is a big surprise. She was not there in the tally in the first series, but after the end of second series, Nguyen from Vietnam now currently on the third spot with 7 points in total. But the thing is, slowly and steadily, this distance will increase. But on the number 1 spot, it is a tight competition between India and Vietnam, where Isha Singh, represented India in the Paris Olympics, has medals in the Asian Games in the past, has been a brute force for Team India when it comes to 25-meter air pistol. And today she is looking out for yet another medal, but missing out on the early shots is not something that she wants to see. And Vietnam on the other side, they were on the tabletop with New Lee.
There is also a significant kick, a trigger back that you can feel in the 25.